GMC Savannah 2009 model. T0050. And then we check the right wheel speed sensor. It gives you a 0 reading. Okay guys, we have right rear wheel speed sensor circuit erratic or speed sensor circuit malfunction. We already checked the resistance and they give you no numbers, because it means our sensor was open because there's no ohms. It should be 700 to 10,000 ohms. We check the speed sensor. They give you no reading. That is mean that you have a busted wheel speed sensor. Okay guys, now we will buy a parts to replace it. We will check now the sensor, if it is shorted or walang reading bro. Walang reading. The wheel speed sensor was located here, behind the tires, behind the rotor disc. This is right rear wheel speed sensor. This differential rear. We have problem only on the right. The left so far it's working good. We will clean and then we'll install it again.